My name is William ter Vocht. Our team name is Team Phidipiddes. Our team consists out of 5 studies, the biggest part of that being automotive engineering. It's around 40 to 45 people divided over 2 cars, one of which is the Triga 3 right behind me. It is a 3-wheeler that participates in the prototype class of the Shell Eco Marathon. Second car is the Quadriga 3, which is a car that will compete in the urban concept class of the Shell Eco Marathon. It is a 4-wheeler, battery electric driven, and will be built after the summer. The Triga 3 is a 3-wheeler, 1 driven wheel on the backside and 2 steering on the front. It's formed like a bullet, so it's as aerodynamically as possible. It's driven by hydrogen, which means that there's a small hydrogen tank in the back of the car, which converts hydrogen into electricity to drive the rear wheels. The Quadriga 3 has a battery electric powertrain, which means that a battery up front powers the 2 motors in the rear through a motor controller to power the vehicle, and the chassis, where it's all bolted on and the body is also bolted on, is made out of thermoplastic composite. The reason why the Quadriga 3 is special is because it has a thermoplastic composite chassis. It's super stiff and really light, but the problem with thermoplastic composite is that it's really difficult to post-process it after it's already been formed into a shape, which is something that we've been trying to work around in the last year to get that to work, so we can have a thermoplastic composite chassis at the next race. What the automotive sector will benefit from our findings during the engineering and designing and building of the Quadriga 3 is the use of the thermoplastic composite as a part of a chassis. As far as we know, it's never been used before in a different part in the automotive sector. The automotive sector can use this knowledge that we have gained over the last year for maybe use in engineering of other car chassis. What also makes our car different from the rest with the Quadriga 3 is that it has a carbon fiber with rubber laminated leaf spring in the front and rear. The rubber breaks the shocks and the carbon acts as a spring so that most of the vibrations in the chassis are picked up and eliminated by the suspension.